Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off improve harmful app detection with Google Play Protect on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Next, go down and tap on app security, then tap on Google Play Protect. Now at the top here, tap on the settings icon. Then in here, tap on improve harmful app detection. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Play Protect, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.